Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and in this video I'm going to show you Ruby Falls, which is an underground waterfall inside of a cave. So you take a cave tour, but I'm not going to video the cave tour. I'm just going to video the waterfalls, and maybe I might find some significant things along the way to show you. And then after that, I'm going to go over to the Incline Railway to take the Incline Railway up Lookout Mountain and video some scenery that you can see if you ever find your way to Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Overhead. All stalactites start as a hollow tube. Jimmy and I prefer to call them soda straws. There's even one formation that looks like a large leaning tower. The mineral deposits down in the caves are abundant, with the gray limestone walls, white calcium carbonate, iron oxide with its reddish-brown coloration, and black manganese. Some of the formations in this area are dry, while others are wet.
By the way, all these colors in the cave are just the result of colored lights.
With the moisture being evidence of active growth. In that same area, we continue to find more and more formations, including one that looks like a turtle.
Looks like we got internet down here.
Thanks for coming, guys.
It's just a short drive from Ruby Falls to the Incline Railway. It starts right at the street level here and just goes straight up the mountain, and you can see one of the cars coming down now. So let me follow the railroad track up the mountain. It's got a bypass there. They've got one going up while one is coming down. See, that one's going up. And there's the top of it.
Two cars operate like weights on a pulley. When one car goes up, the other car comes down. The entire cable system is changed every 3 years. Other safety features include an Otis elevator safety governor, which automatically locks the cars down if their speed goes above 10 miles per hour. A giant automatic brake in the Incline's machine room, which will lock down the cars in case of a power failure, and manual brakes for use by the operators. In recognition of the Incline's historically significant role and unique mechanical design, in 1974, it was designated a National Historic Site by the United States Department of the Interior, and in 1991, a National Historic Mechanical Engineering Landmark by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. The Incline began making history on November 16, 1895, when the car first reached the crest of the mountain. The car was made of wood with open windows that gave the passengers an exhilarating feeling as they traveled up and down the mountain. In the early days, the power was supplied by huge coal-burning steam engines situated in the powerhouse at the crest of the mountain. On each trip, the Incline cars would carry coal for use in the boilers in specially designed containers attached to the upper ends of the cars. In 1911, the coal-burning engines were converted to an electrical system. The Incline has also been used to transport freight, mail, and school children. As the Incline is the fastest method of transportation up and down the mountain, it has been known to help a mother-to-be make it to the hospital on time. There have been several weddings aboard the Incline while the cars climb the mountain. As the Incline climbs historic Lookout Mountain, it will travel through the cities of Chattanooga and Lookout Mountain, as well as Hamilton County and the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Battlefield. Traveling up the mountain, you'll find that the air gets cooler, since there's an approximate 8-degree temperature difference between the Chattanooga Valley and Lookout Mountain. The grade of the track at the steepest point near the top is 72.7%, giving the Incline the unique distinction of being the steepest passenger railway in the world.
I guess you can tell they had all of us facing down the mountain, where it's going up it backwards. And all the seats are tilted so that when you're sitting there on that steep incline, you actually feel like you're level. So that's good. Here's a wide sweeping view of Chattanooga, Tennessee. And let me zoom in over there. Here's the downtown area where I did the other video of downtown Chattanooga, right on the riverbank there. And there's one just starting to go down. I'm sure you can tell there are private residences all along both sides of the track. Wonder what it's like to live right beside that Incline Railroad track. This is the observation deck on top of the station. And they've got a little cafe, gift shop here. Look at this, somebody lives right there. That looks like a private residence. And they've got their own private observation deck right there. Boy, how nice. Well, hope you've enjoyed this video. Good day, folks.